The Rockland County District Attorney.
The Rockland County District Attorney's Office.
District Attorney Thomas Walsh.
DA Thomas Walsh.
District Attorney Thomas Walsh.
I want to thank each and every one of you for your service, sacrifice, dedication, and commitment as you begin your careers in law enforcement.
Well, new information tonight about a months-long online operation to arrest alleged sexual predators. News 12's Diane Caruso's got that story tonight from New City.
We will track you down. We will identify you. We will prosecute to the fullest extent of the law.
Rockland County District Attorney Tom Walsh with that message for online predators who are trying to lure children for sex or disseminating child sexual content.
We will ensure the safety of all our children at all times.
Since the beginning of this year, the District Attorney's Office says their investigation, called Operation Catfish, arrested 7 people, an effort that used federal, state, and local law enforcement agencies to do it.
Pat, as he's known to many, has a long and distinguished career in law enforcement, having started with the Orangetown Police Department in 1997. Until 2014, he served Orangetown residents as an officer, detective, community liaison, helping develop Orangetown's community policing program in Nyack. Pat has dedicated himself to keeping Rockland County residents safe. He took office as Chief Assistant District Attorney in 2020, right before the pandemic hit, and it has been nonstop since he took office. But he has done a tremendous job under the leadership of District Attorney Walsh.
This is a collection of paintings created by the Academy of Art students at North Rockland High School.
I decided that I wanted to do nature because nature gives me a lot of serenity.
So thank you very much and congratulations on a very well.
Well, we're here today to inform high school students about the dangers of drunk driving. Unfortunately, many teenagers die in car crashes that are preventable. It's a strong message that we want to send out. We want to send it out constantly so they understand, don't drink and drive. Don't consume drugs and drive. Don't text and drive. Don't be distracted.
Al fiscal del condado, Tom Walsh, para que junto a su esposa que está ahí, que se acerque aquí. Es el primer tamborileño que nació aquí, yo pienso. Así que un aplauso para Tom Walsh.
Buenas tardes, amigos. ¿Cómo está? Well, thank you for having me out to celebrate Independence Day of the Dominican Republic.
De parte de Quisqueya Sports Club reconoce a Rosibel Ventura porque eres una joven valiosa, destacada profesional del derecho, quien con su actitud de trabajo en favor
About two and a half years ago, I had the first opportunity to meet Roosevelt. And I was so impressed by the third-year law student from the University of Buffalo Law School that I had no choice. I hired her. So I'm very proud to tell you that Roosevelt Ventura is an Assistant District Attorney of Rockland County, serving the Dominican Americans of Rockland and all Rocklanders.
I'm really honored to be here. I'm really honored to serve my community. I'm honored that I'm able to do this and put my flag in the front every time I go to court or every time I'm doing whatever I'm doing with my job. It's an honor for me to be here. I also want to thank the district attorney again. I said it in Spanish, I'm saying it in English now, for giving me the opportunity and for believing that at such a young age and right after law school, I could do my job, and I will continue to do my job. So thank you, everyone. I'm really honored. I'm really excited. That's why I sound so shaky. So I hope everyone has a good day and happy Independence Day. Feliz Día de la Independencia Dominicana.
Aplauso fuerte para la señorita Ventura, ¿eh? Merecidísimos los reconocimientos en este momento.
I am struck that a gathering like ours today couldn't happen 20 years ago, and it couldn't happen 15 years ago.
To the DA for recognizing me with such an award, because one thing that you did say is, you know, being an example for people coming after you. In our community, in the LGBTQ community, visibility is key.
Just one promise to you as district attorney, whatever you need from my office to protect the children and our families, you'll have it, I promise. And thank you again for your efforts. Thank you so much.
All of us, you know, it's a difficult time for all the district attorneys, but he does an extraordinary job, and that's your district attorney, Thomas Falk. Tommy.
Hola, ¿cómo está, mi amigo? Vamos, compadres.
Well, it may be rainy outside, but it's a great day in Rockland County. As part of Clean Up Rockland County, we're out on South Pascack Road trying to clean up and make a better Rockland County for everyone. We encourage all Rocklanders, please go out, take a look at your street, and clean up what you can.
I'm Lieutenant Rambo, Police Department. She served as a field training officer and a police instructor. In 2004, she made detective and was assigned to our investigations division.
So this is simulating a chase. Stop! Don't run away! Stop! Don't look up! Stop! So he released car with a door popper.
And I want to say it out loud to everyone. There is no place for hate in our Rockland County. It's very important in our daily lives that we take time out to thank our first responders, law enforcement, AVERM, and those other agencies that work for us tirelessly 24/7.
E. Williams Jr., Joseph B. Wysocki.
And every year this thing has just snowballed, gotten bigger and bigger, and it's just incredible how far we've come from the way back when, just 7 bags of toys to now thousands and thousands of toys.
On behalf of my family, as well as the families of Edward O'Grady and Waverly Brown, I would like to say that it is an honor and a privilege to stand before you as we recognize the bravery, courage, and sacrifice made by my father, Brinks Guard Peter Page, and by Sergeant Edward O'Grady, and by Officer Waverly Brown 41 years ago today.
We will still be here, honoring your life and comforting your family. We will be here rain or shine, because we in Orangetown stand by the commitment we made 21 years ago to never forget.
When something bad happens to anybody in law enforcement, it affects the entire community. We all wear different patches, but we're all from the same family. So it's just an opportunity for us to extend our support from all the northern parts of the area, north of New York City, that we care. And we're headed down to show support.
Investigators in the Real-Time Crime Center worked countless hours investigating those individuals. A combined effort by all involved agencies was made to assist our analysts and detectives in making individual cases.
As a father, no parent should ever have to bury their own child. With the arrest of these 3 individuals, we begin the process of seeking justice for Trey now.
Today, the history of America
begins a new chapter in your hearts as you begin your new personal history. You have chosen the United States of America as your country, as your home, and the land of your future. The law is not just about abstract legal principle, but the resolution of human conflict, the settlement of personal disputes. Cyril, I don't know if I knew you the whole 36 years, but it's been a pleasure working for you since our 551 days.
Thank you very much.
Honor Day after 35 plus years, but I just want to tell everybody that I love this job in the DA's office. I had a great time. I was able to work on numerous high-profile cases of my years, but one thing that gives me the greatest joy is the people that I've met along the way.
You had the opportunity to see a number of members from our senior staff come out and tell you a little bit.
Stephanie Yoder, I let her work it out. Let's let her work it out a little bit, see if she can figure out where the main odor is. So she's getting the odor. Right under here is a micro SD card taped on this table. So she's where?
Dynamism had to go in to create something this significant and this impressive.
El fiscal de Rockland County